Hi everyone, it's Eileen and Jul. We're back at ya. We're really sorry we had to take a break for a while because Jul had to go back to work.
Sorry.
But we're gonna go back to the Dollar Tree today because that seemed to be our most popular video. So we're gonna go check out the Dollar Tree appetizers. How many? Okay, so just wondering how many of you have neighbors that are scared.
We're gonna get 5 to 10 items at the Dollar Tree.
Appetizers.
We're gonna get 5 to 10 appetizers at the Dollar Tree. I don't know what her problem is.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna get 5 to 10 appetizers at the Dollar Tree from the frozen foods. You like that meter box back there? We're gonna get 5 to 10 items from the frozen food section at the Dollar Tree and come home and make them and give you all a review. So let's go check it out. I know some people think that Dollar Food store is nasty.
I know some people had some concerns that the Dollar Tree food was nasty, but I just want y'all to know that there is name brands at the Dollar Tree and you're getting a heck of a deal there.
Okay,
Let's go.
bye. Okay, we're here now at the Dollar Tree, and some people asked if we always go to the same one, like if we're loyal to one, and the answer is no, but we come to this one on Nicollet just because it's closest to our house. So
It's my favorite.
it's Jul's favorite, but you don't always go to the same one. Okay, we're gonna go inside. Back to a dollar store appetizer special with Eileen and Jul. On our menu today we have quite a few things. Soft pretzels, tater tots, mac and cheese bites, mozzarella sticks, and strawberry funnel cake bite. Okay, and sparkling cider. So let's dive in. Cheers! Okay, what are you most excited to try?
I'm excited to try the strawberry funnel cake bites.
Okay, I would say the mac and cheese bites for me.
Okay, cool.
What do you think is gonna suck the most?
Honestly, the tater tots.
Okay, we forgot to say pizza rolls earlier, but I think it's gonna be the pizza rolls.
I think you said pizza rolls.
Okay, what do you want to try first?
I'm gonna try the bites, the strawberry bites.
Okay. Cheers! Honestly, this is bland and I don't like it.
The dough is very dense. Not a lot of flavor. I would not recommend buying those.
Okay, let's try the tater tot next.
It tastes like mashed potatoes inside.
It's not great.
No, I would not get those again.
Okay.
Let's go for the mozzie stick.
Okay.
Cheers.
Mine's pretty hollow. This is so bland.
Not the worst.
I'm gonna
Definitely
try.
not Arby's mozzie sticks.
I'm gonna try my other one because that one looked like the cheese got out of it. Still not good. Pizza roll?
Sure. I don't think they suck. They're no Totino's pizza rolls, but they're not as...
Those didn't suck.
No, for $1, great deal.
Okay.
Mac and cheese bite.
That's bland.
I probably wouldn't get those again. Okay, I'm gonna
If you were like looking to bring something to a party for drunk people, I guess this would work.
Yeah.
But, okay. Oh, these are pretty good.
Yeah, we just got the Velveeta cheese sauce packet, so you need cheese sauce with your soft pretzel.
Mm-hmm.
Did you want to try it?
No, I'm weird about hot dogs. In conclusion, I think we've decided that we would buy none of this stuff again except for the pretzel and the corn dog and the cider. But most of the things, half the things were a bust and we really wouldn't recommend them. So in the comments section, please let us know what you'd like to see up next. We've got a lot of requests, but you all seem to like the dollar store stuff the best, so we might stick to that. I guess we'll see. We have some other ideas. Below in the description, I'll let you all know the name brand stuff we got. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. And do you want them to follow you?
You can follow me to HelloJuju425
at hotmail.com.
No, your Instagram handle is not at an email address.
Okay, well, until next time, we'll see you guys.